Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore something really exciting. How to generate images using OpenAI's API with a simple C# console application. If you have ever wondered how AI can create stunning images from just a few words, you are in the right place. We'll build a program that takes a text description from you and turns into a fully generated image using OpenAI's image generation model. So the tools that we're going to use is the main thing is C# as a main programming language because it's a very powerful and beginner friendly language. The second one is OpenAI's API. Third is HTTP client services. And how does the program work? Is like here we have an option. The program will ask you for a description of the image you want. It will send the description to the OpenAI's API. The AI will generate an image based on your input. Finally, the program will download and save the image in your computer. Sounds exciting, right? So let's not waste any more time and dive into the code. Here, the first part, we have the libraries. The first one is using system, which provides access to the basic functions like console input and output. Next, system.io, which allows reading and writing the files. Using system.net.http, uh, used for sending HTTP requests and receiving responses. System.text provides the class for text encoding. And Newtonsoft.Json helps you to work with the JSON data. Next, we have the namespace and class definition. The namespace called applications, which is used to group the created code under a single name. And we have the internal class program. Here the keyword internal means it's accessible only within this assembly. Next we have the API key and URL. API key retrieves the OpenAI's API key from the environment variable for secure storage. And the API URL stores the URL for OpenAI's image generation API. Next, we have the main method. This is the program's entry point. It's asynchronous, async, because it will make the HTTP requests. In the main method, we have now API key validation. This ensures the API key is set. If not, it shows an error. And next, we have the user input for image description. Prompt for input, where it asks the user to enter an image description and it validates the input. If the user doesn't type anything, it prints an error. Next, we are calling the function generateImage by passing the prompt to create an image using the prompt we provided. Now, inside the generateImage method, we are creating an instance of a class HttpClient, which we'll be using for sending the HTTP requests. And the next, authorization header, which we are using it for the API key to authenticate the requests, and followed by request body, which contains the image description, the prompt, the number of images, which is n equal to 1, and the size of the image that we need. Next, we need to send the API request. In order to send the API request, we need to serialize the request body using the JSON convert.serialize object, which converts the requested body into JSON format. And the next, we are using the post request, post async, to send the image generation request for the OpenAPI. The next part is to handle the API response. Here, you need to check the response. If it is successful, it needs to read the JSON response, find the URL of the generated image, and that generated image URL need to be sent to the download image method. And next we have the download image method, where we download the image by using the HTTP client to download that particular image as an bit array. Next, we save the image, which writes the downloaded bytes to a file. So this is it. This is the program explanation. Now let's see how this program runs by running this program. Now it asks me to give an input for the description of our image. So we can type what we need exactly in that image. And hit enter. It takes few seconds and it generates. See, it has generated. So this is it. If you like this program, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And the source code of this program is available on the GitHub, which the link is given in this description of this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.